Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset camera to default options on any Itel phone. Let's begin! Now, if you thought that resetting camera is as easy as going to System and then resetting phone and then, well, seeing reset camera option here, you would be wrong. There is no such option here. Instead, we want to go into camera, press the little cogwheel at the top right corner, and here you want to scroll all the way down, and we have this nice Restore Defaults button. We hit it, and we simply press Restore. And now all the settings have been restored to default ones. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.